Bike life. Bike life to me is looking out the window for the first time in the morning thinking it's a great day to go ride. Because if the sun's outside, then I'm outside. Fuck it, you only live once, right? I've had dreams about hundreds of people coming together, all from different walks of life, enjoying one passion, riding bikes. It's not about the destination, it's about the journey. Well, this is my journey, this is my path, this is how I tell it. There's a problem. My tire's flat as shit. Fuck. Okay.
Cuz I'll pass me the ARP and I hop in the V, we gone. The folks on our ass, they probably a shoot us if they catch us race. Ice fun, rush hour traffic, I'm smoking the stizzy with move out of match. I'm starting to get dizzy, guns cracking the ceiling, the styrofoam fizz. Cash out off this dish and I'm finna make millions. More gas in the tank, on my lungs still healing. If I fall on my face and I get up with a vent. Love baby got grace, motivation to keep killing. I don't know what to say, last words of a villain.
Pull up to the hood, sticks and drakes. Nike ski just to cover my face. Snatch a strike, then we take off the place. If you talk crazy, we pop in your face. If you talk crazy, we pop in your face. Bust a nigga head tryna get in my lane. This nigga insane, he think he gang. Two-tone Glock, they be stuck in my drip. Boy, yo, a bitch got your blick in the whip. If they up on me, I come off the hip. I cannot let got the blick in the stove. Tic-tac-toe, come and pick you a bow. Knock on the door, then I shoot through the door. Kick that bitch in like get on the floor. Pick pat bro, tryna pick a nigga for RP10s at the Valero. Stop capping, why you capping, bro? Why the fuck, why you capping, bro?
Thank you. This thing too, man. How much you put into it?
About $5 extra.
That's not fucking bad. So like what, 10 grand?
Yeah, 10 grand overall.
Something like that type shit.
I know it's stupid to hear, but yeah, I could.
Nah, bro, I definitely would do it if I had it.
I was scrolling Marketplace yesterday morning, and I saw something for sale.
Oh, yeah.
You're selling it? What are you gonna get if you sell it? You don't know?
Honestly, I don't want to sell it. I just.
It's clean, bro.
Yeah, I just want to. I don't even want to sell her, bro. I just want to upgrade her. Get some new fucking mods. Get a bigger battery. I'm at 45%.
You right now?
Right now.
Oh shit.
Oh no!
Right fucking now.
It's only 40 amp hour, huh?
Yeah. It's horrible.
Hey, you can get like the E-watt battery. It's expensive, but does your battery not come out?
It doesn't. Well, it does, but you gotta like fucking take the swing arm and like fucking rip the whole thing apart and shit. Suck, bro. What's up, bro? Man, bro. You on the pedal bike? Is that what?
You posted this bike for sale?
Yeah, on Marketplace, yeah.
A lot of people text you about it.
Nobody actually serious though. And they be like, oh yeah, bro, I want that bike, bro. How much is it? Oh, never mind. Never mind, bro. I'm cool.
I'm trying to find a budget bike for like $2 grand.
Yeah, bro, you're not gonna find it.
No.
Bro, what you put into this? It's just stock?
I've only got 355 miles on it so far. Bags and the lines logo, that's about it.
That's not bad though. It's a MX-5?
4.
Damn. What the brakes talking about on these?
Huh?
The brakes.
Oh, I don't even know.
Are these the same as on my shit? But like,
Only thing I've done different with those is I just swapped the brake
Come on,
pads.
fill them.
I gotta break the fuck out of them.
Nah, they're not. Bro, feel that fucking brake lever. Feel this shit. Yo, my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. What? Yo, I don't use rear brake, bro. I ain't doing stoppies and shit. Yo, I'm good, bro. These feel good though. Compared to that, that's like. Why? Bro, he trolling. He said he had to sell the XXX, bro.
My parents thought it was too powerful.
They thought it was too powerful? He cold as fuck on a pedal bike, on a acoustic. He cold as fuck. On an acoustic, bro. But I mean, when I first got this shit, I was scared of it. Like, dead ass. I was like, I hit the throttle. I was like, oh yeah, I'm Sur Ronster, dude. Fucking almost looped. I was like, oh yeah, I'm good, bro. I'm good. Throw that bitch back where it came from.
First time I rode one, my buddy just got his. He had 3 miles on it. Got on it, looped it. And just like, all it did was smash his fender. So I bought him a new fender. And then my buddy Matt, who's got the modded one, I was riding his up north at our cottage. Looped it going like 35. Destroyed the screen.
God, bro. As much as I want a fucking wheelie right now, my shit at 40%. My fucking God, bro. Let me check the battery. I'm gonna keep on checking this bitch every 15 seconds to see if it go up. Like that Nikola Tesla guy, you know? It's a Tesla coil on my bike, bro, please. I'm at 50, bro. That bitch went up 1%. But this shit at 50%. He about to ride for like 20 miles. This motherfucker's having a great time. Ain't gotta worry about battery, no gas. Shit crazy. Bro, you look blazed, bro. You look blazed. Bro, you looked at me, he's like. It's shit crazy. This that's it. This that's it. You trying to keep them bitches open, bro. Yo, y'all gonna see me like disappear halfway through the ride because my battery is fucking dead. Where are you at? But you fucking chai battery. What do you have? Chai battery or like
E-moto.
EY? Okay.
It's at
I can't
78.
Even, this shit looks like fucking ancient.
It's probably like 80%.
Like hieroglyphs. I don't know what the fuck I'm looking at.
It's real same when I first got it.
He said, I'm finna whip this hoe. My shit gonna die like fucking 20 minutes into the ride. I'll be like, yeah, bro, I gotta head back. Y'all niggas enjoy yourself. It's gonna be great.
See you guys later.
Yeah.
See you guys next week.
Yo, he on some new shit today. Hold up. He's on some new shit today. What is? What's this? Man, I'm saying when you get this though.
I got it like a month ago.
Ah. Shit. Yeah, bro, I'm about to switch to gas. Yeah. Hell yeah, I'm about to switch to gas, bro. My shit at freaking 50% before the ride, bro. I'm cooked. I'm cooked, bro. I got a Talaria, the red one over there. The black and red. Yeah, you see one right there? Yeah, that motherfucker's at 50 fucking percent right now, though. CRF. And okay, we are riding. We should be virtually perfect. I'm at eco 50 fucking percent. I'm literally turning my ass right on around.
Step into my money, you can see my thoughts intrusive. Throw away my guns because I already built them. Nigga, why you crying? Your folks dead and you ain't do
god, I just fucking scraped my foot on the goddamn tire.
When my mind took what goes around, comes around. Didn't bother the house, so I was never found. Stop letting them control your emotions. Keep your distance to see if they notice. Try to dissect me, they think that I'm probably in mind games. Trying to insert a token. Time change, you gon' need a remote. And ain't no way I'm making you control. Can't go back, no facing forward. Try to stop me, then there's the door. A couple things struck, can't ignore it, then take a break and then do some more. Like Phineas and Ferb, I wonder what we gon' do today. Let's show them what legends are. The funniest thing happen when you use your intelligence, you can become Tony Stark. Like as soon as you start setting boundaries, everybody got a heavy heart. Just give me some time, some peace and quiet. Maybe I can get us very far. Maybe some time, very soon, look in the mirror and see somebody else. Tell them why that I'm trying to be a star. That's why I abuse myself.
As I said, yes, sir. Damn, we got one crash. Gosh. Damn, twin, I ain't got no pop on this bitch. No talk. I can't keep her up, brother. I don't have enough torque. God damn. 5%. Shit. My 4-5 fucking percent. What the hell? Whoa. It's just a bunch of jackasses. Look at that shit, brother. Gotta tighten my fucking belt up. Holy shit. We'll take a piss as well. Look at brother. That brother's got it. Hell yeah. I just love the sound of a gas bike in the morning. I do not love the look of a 42% on my goddamn battery though. That shit sucks, I'm not gonna lie. It's actually worse than anything that could have happened. Besides getting hit by a car or dying or something like that. Woohoo! I'm getting dirt in my fucking eyes, man. Holy shit. I throw a visor in, but dark as hell. Oh, you gotta pick a trade-off, man. Gotta pick a trade-off, brother. smells like shit. It smells like pure ass. Fucking love it, man. Woo! Look at that.
I done lost too much. They done took it all. Getting high as fuck. I'm popping that raw. Kept on pushing niggas down. I'm mad I had to grow. Never say shit to the ref. That's foul. I had the ball. Up it, then I shoot. I'm about to make these niggas do shuttle runs. Acting like a cookie, smoking mookie out these fucking blunts. Rolling up some runs. Smoke Gorilla Glue. It's in my fucking lungs. No bitch, I'm not into you. I'm tryna lay the pipe down, go home in that Bentley coupe. Stare at the ceiling, reminiscing about the shit I do. Lay in my bed, all in my head about my fucking dude. Tryna get that bread and pass it to her with no fumbles. Weapons to the gun, shot her square and need a poncho. Call me the head honcho when I'm in your fucking A.O. I'm about to rock out, got my Glock out, bro, got Dracos. Stick your fucking taco, cause my niggas like to take those. I done lost too much, they done took it all. Getting high as fuck, I'm popping that raw. Kept on pushing niggas down, I'm mad I had to grow. Never say shit to the ref, that's foul, I had the ball. Up it, then I shoot, I'm about to make these niggas do shuttle runs. Acting like a cookie, smoking mookie out these fucking blunts. Rolling up some runs, smoke Gorilla Glue. It's in my fucking lungs, no bitch, I'm not into you. I'm tryna lay the pipe down, go home in that Bentley coupe. Stare at the ceiling, reminiscing about the shit I do. Lay in my bed, all in my head about my fucking dukes. Tryna get that bread and pass it to her with no fumbles. Weapons to the gun, got her square and need a poncho. Call me the head honcho when I'm in your fucking A.O. I'm about to rock out, got my Glock out, bro, got Dracos. Stick your fucking taco, cause my niggas like to take those.
This shit is painted all over my face, I think you bad, no. I'm in too deep, I'm in too fucking deep, I'm tryna plead my case. I'm tryna get the fuck away, they tryna kill me with that case. Sprite, plan on buying a brand new micro Drake to that my main shit to my side hoe. I just think we need a break, let get it faded in the Tahoe. But for breakfast, this a wait and bake. Finna plan a trip to Moscow, I just need to set a date. Keep on tryna act like something you want, just be yourself. Way too worried about that script, like that shit gon' fuck up your health. Then they tell you health as well. Then they tell you about the belt the ass. I'm your father, belt the ass. I fuck your mother. In the past, I was another. No, I wasn't myself. Pop Percocets and smoke weed, just playing the cards I was dealt. Write love poems, make love songs, I think I'm too heartfelt. Drop 3 bands on a Gucci jacket, I'm tryna treat myself. Quit lying, you know you feel the guilt. If you on my side, you can't switch until you die. No cry, I'ma leave you satisfied. Turn you on just like my line. Why you acting out, you not too bright? Why you blowing down my phone in the middle of the night? So much shit I done been through, I'm starting to get so sick and tired. It's coming down to the wire. Drop pounds of powder. Like I found off her face when I'm around her. She like me, it's not too hard, clear as day you can see. The snow done hit the floor, turn the traction off and then we go. Always told her fully pull, you never know when they gon' show. What you talking about, what you tryna say? I'm the type to walk him down in the middle of a conversation. He the type to run his mouth and end up on a chain. I'ma grab her by her ponytail whenever she giving me brain. We done been through all the hell and bag and came back with them stains. How you feeling tonight? Might take her off her bike, come back she ride like a bike. Can sneak it to my father's on sight. Last diamonds you were moist tonight. You must think that boy tonight. How you told her fully, but can't handle that bitch, need to hold it tighter like a bully. Walking through the high school halls, me and mugging. Me and Pop smoke, niggas been thugging. My nigga Tony on the tapped in, that's why they running. I heard Wild Hawk him down with his fin, I guess he coming. BK trapping out the West End, made 100. Roll the credits, nigga, that's the end. They bust his melon. They only found his stinking ass cause niggas started smelling him. But they don't know who did it, so ain't nobody gon' tell them. They just know that the weapons was Smith. Ain't had no switch, it was regular. Spilling blood, I'm damn near Dracula. Wife name my mouth and I'm smacking you. Little snake ass bitch, I'm not cracking you. Meditate to this dick with an attitude. I'ma leave it bruised. Take off them clothes. Quit talking about your nigga, no.
That's what I really learned. I learned anybody can turn on you. I learned anybody can say they love you, but they really don't. I learned people can use you. I learned people can hurt people. You see what I'm saying? So like, a hurt person can come hurt you and you don't let them.
So we put him to bed. DOH, you don't get no meds. Pop his ass, we stop his legs. Box his ass like Michael Jack. His screen went black when he disconnect. Took his bitch, she heavenly, she elegant, she have a son. I been popping Percocet, can't hurt me cause it's medicine. Broski OD overdose, I guess he needs some tension. Codeine, oxycodone, only drugs that he a mess with. I keep on my waistline, only weapon I could mention. Gotta have protection when you sliding on the mission. Why he tryna sell, we need to find a new profession. The sniffing on me, licking on my neck, that's I'm delicious. I eat Roma, feel the air when I'm around, I'm so suspicious. Fuck knocking on the wood, I smack that bitch, I'm superstitious.
Until somebody else tell you about them that they heard before.
Hurt people.
Yeah, that's how it go.